Good morning, everyone. There are some updates for the ongoing renovation of Mt.Plaisir Estate hotels and restaurant at Grande Reviere. Final coating at the interior walls of one of the hotel room is ongoing and still progressing. Hardwood ceiling activities was already completed at the other hotel. Hardwood railing was also completed with quarter-inch gauge 25 cable wire was also completed. Final coating of exterior walls is ongoing at one of the hotels, and course installation of quarter-inch gauge 25 cable wire at the canteen is progressing, while quarter-inch gauge 25 cable rail at Block A Hotel was 100% completed. There's a lot of things to be done here with the ongoing renovation of the hotels and restaurant at Mt.Plaisir. The only hindrance that we are encountering every day is the rainfall that occurred anytime. Please stay tuned for more updates. I'm Shadow TNT. Thank you.